Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to present particular training based on how you can manage the references using EndNote software. So X9 is here, the version of this particular software. The first thing is how you are going to obtain this EndNote software. Uh, the first thing is you have to visit the endnote.com/downloads. When you are going to click on this particular one, so you have to make a request for downloading an installer. Okay, and after that click on the request for trial. It might be ask you for the registration form so that you can download a 30 days trial for the same, and the link is generally provided in your registered email. So you have to go to your email, click on the link, and then you can download that particular software. So this software is actually the paid version. You can get this particular version of the software from endnote.com/buy. This particular software is available for both type of operating system, for Windows as well as for Mac. Okay, before this I'm going to download the same software by just visiting the endnote.com/downloads. Okay, so you have to move to down of that particular one and find an installer or download an installer. You have to click on this particular one. Now when you are going to click on this particular one, so it might be ask you to fill the form for this. Okay, and sometimes it is having another site. Okay, submit an inquiry means you are going to fill the form on this particular part. Okay, or you can directly download it from this particular part on your left hand side. Okay, then when you are going to submit or you are going to call that particular one, it means it is going to ask you about the credential, means on which particular mail you are asking the reply for the same, or you can download it from this particular part. Okay, when you are going to click on this particular one, it is directly going to download. Okay, I have already downloaded this particular one, so I'm moving towards that particular part. Downloads, where is my program? Okay, so ENX9 installer is be there. So when you are going to click on this particular one, so now look at that, the version is X9.3.3. so click on yes. I have already installed, my version is 9.3.1 and this is the newer version 9.3.3, so I am not going to update right now. Okay, so for you can directly click on yes, and after that just go to select means accept the agreement license and click on 30 days trial of that particular software. Okay, after that installing the software, okay, you have to click on the Windows at the down at the start point, and after that you have to run this particular software. Okay, and now when you are first time running that particular software, it is going to ask you about the library. Okay, because this one is the fresh installed, so you don't have any library. So for that, what you have to do is you have to, okay, just a minute, you have to run this particular software from the start button, and after that visiting the EndNote itself. So again it's going to give me the update is available, so I'm going to update right now. So here we are. Okay, so what you have to do is, after that you have to move to the file, create a new. Okay, by default it is going to give you the name as my Android library, and it is always going to save into the document, my documents. Basically, if you are going to use your Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10 is directly the documents. Okay, so accordingly you can use create the library. I have already created, so I am going to use, so whatever the name you are going to use here. Okay, so it is automatically going to be updated. Okay, at the top it is be there. Okay, so I am using this Aditya paper, so these all are the references for that particular part what I am working on. Okay, might be I am having any second library, test library, so that we can work on that particular part. So where is my test training? Okay, so I have created a library here. Yes, so this is my test library. So I have added two references this particular one.